Incarcerated senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Ahmed Shah, has said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government has declared a full-fledged war against the people of the occupied Kashmir. Shabbir Ahmed Shah, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said that the Modi regime was targeting the population of Jammu and Kashmir the way worse than Israel was doing in Palestine. Posters that appeared in Srinagar and other areas have said that the holding of G20 summit in the UN designated disputed territory is a sacrilege of blood and sentiments of the enslaved people of the territory. The posters were displayed by pro-freedom organizations including Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Resistance Movement, Jammu and Kashmir People's Resistance Party, and students and youth forums. March 3 will continue providing grim reminder of New Delhi fanning terrorism in Pakistan as it was on this day in 2009 when terrorists backed and funded by Indian spy agency Research and Analysis Wing RAW attacked the Sri Lankan cricket team in Lahore, and on the same day in 2016 Indian spy Kulbhushan Yadav was arrested by Pakistani forces in Balochistan. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said the terrorist attack on Sri Lankan cricket team was carried out on March 3, 2009 with an intention to harm Pakistan's reputation by showing it as an insecure country for sports events. Later on March 3, 2016, Indian spy Kulbhushan Yadav was also arrested from Balochistan, confirming that India was masterminding terrorist activities in Pakistan. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency attached the ancestral house of Hurriyat activist Bashir Ahmed Reshi in Sopore town of Baramulla district. 27-year-old Basid Ahmed Reshi has actively raising voice for the right of self-determination for the people of Jammu and Kashmir for the past several years. High Court has ordered the authorities to file a status report of implementation of Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. The court further directed to furnish the list of aided and unaided private schools in the territory. National Conference leader Ratan Lal Gupta has expressed concern over the miseries of the people in Jammu and Samba, especially Kandi and border belt of both the districts, in absence of proper basic facilities like power and water. Ratan Lal Gupta, chairing a party meeting in Jammu, said the complexity of problems have resulted due to the wrong and anti-people policies of the Bharatiya Janata Party. A teenage girl committed suicide in Baramulla district. 14-year-old girl hanged herself in Patan area of the district. She was immediately rushed to a nearby hospital where doctors declared her dead on arrival.